Hello students, in this video we will discuss on what is multiplication, different terms used in multiplication, multiples and some basic problems. Okay, but before we begin, I'm Bikash and you're watching Online Bikash. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So what is multiplication? Now let us see some examples. Okay, these are four circles you can see, and in those four circles, two apples are there. Okay, now if I ask you how many apples are there, then you will say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. But we can express this in terms of multiplication. How? In this way. Okay, it is called 4 times 2 is equal 8. Okay, or some says 4 twos are 8. Okay, because you see from where this 4 is coming. You tell me how many circles are there, how many groups are there. 4 groups are there, that's why this 4 is coming. Okay, and from where this 2 is coming, because in each group two apples are there. Okay, that's why 4 twos are 8. Understood? And since we have added 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal 8, from this repeated addition we got this multiplication. Okay, that's why multiplication is called repeated addition. Understood? Now let us see 4 times 2 equals 8. In this part, this 4 is called how many groups? Okay, in the previous in here you have seen how many groups are there. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group and 4 group. Okay, so this 4 is called 4 tells us how many groups. Okay, and this 2 tells us how many in each group. Okay, in that example, in each group two apples were there, so that's why this number tells us how many in each group. Okay, and this 8, that means after the equal sign, that number will tell us the total number of things. Okay, in our example there were 8 apples. Okay, but in mathematics this they have some specific name, some fancy name. Okay, this is called factor. It is also called factor. Okay, these factors are multiplied and to get what? Product. Okay, understood? What is factor? Can you tell me? The numbers that we multiplied. Okay, those are known as factors. And what we got after doing the multiplication, we got 8, and that is known as product. Clear? Now what is multiples? If I ask you multiples of 2, you tell me, can you tell me what are the multiples of 2? Okay, if you have memorized the table, then you will be easily you can tell me. Okay, my dear students, still if you have not memorized the table, then I'm suggesting you to memorize the table of multiplication. Okay, from 1 to 10 you must know the table. Being a student of class 3, if you're a student of class 3, then you must know the table from 1 to 10. Okay, so multiples of 2 means what? 2 1 is 2. Okay, this 2, okay, this 2 is the multiples of 2. Similarly 2 2s are 4, so this 4 is also a multiples of 2. 2 3s are 6, so this 6 is also a multiple of 2. 8 is also a multiple of 2. 10 is also a multiple of 2, and so on. Okay, after that we will get 12, then 14, then 16, then 18, then 20, then 22, then 24, then 26, then 28, then 30, and so on. Okay, now let us see multiples of 3. Okay, 3 1s is 3, 3 2s are 6, then 9, then 12, then 15, and so on. Okay, and after that, after 15, what will we get? 18, because 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 times 30 and so on. Okay, the multiples are unlimited, you cannot end up. Okay, it will go on and on. Similarly, we can write the multiples of 4 as 4, you see this one, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Okay, these are known as multiples. Now I am asking you to write the multiples of 5, to write the multiples of 6, to write the multiples of 7. Okay, in your home you try to write all the multiples of 5, not all, at least you write 10 multiples of 5, 10 multiples of 6, 10 multiples of 7, 10 multiples of 8, 10 multiples of 9 and so on. Okay, now multiplying by 1 and 0. Multiplying by 1 and 0, if you multiply any number by 1, the product is the number itself. Okay, you see this example, 5, 1 is 5. That means this 5 is multiplied by 1. What is the product? 5. So this number itself, we are getting the product. Okay, if you multiply 10 by 1, you will get 10 as the product. If you multiply 25 with 1, you will get 25 as the result. Okay, if you multiply anything by 1, the product is that thing only. Understood? Now what will happen if we multiply anything with 0? If you multiply any number by 0, the product is 0. Okay, that means if you multiply say 7, okay, this example you see 7, if you multiply this 7 with 0, the answer is 0. If you multiply this 12 with 0, the answer is 0. If you multiply 27 with this 0, then also the answer is 0. That means multiplying anything with 0 will result 0 itself. Hope you are understanding this thing. Now some basic problems. Okay, some basic problems where we can apply the multiplication. Okay, say 3 cars. Okay, and in one car how many wheels are there? Wheels mean what? The chakka. Okay, how many wheels are there? 4 wheels are there. Yes or no? In each car having 4 wheels. Okay, and if you have 3 cars, let us bring 3 cars. Okay, these are the 3 cars. Okay, in each car, now can you tell me how many wheels you can see? In here we can see only 1, 2 and 3, but one wheel is in here. Okay, in the back side of this figure. Now you may not be able to see that wheels, but you assume that it has 4 wheels. Okay, now 3 cars and 4 wheels. So how many wheels are there? Total wheels. Okay, we can do it by doing multiplication. How many cars? 3 cars. How many wheels? 4 wheels in each car. So the answer will be, what do you know? 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. Now you might be thinking, from where that 12 is coming? My dear students, I am telling you again, if you have not memorized the table, then you please memorize the table. Okay, it will help you. Okay, it is very essential to memorize the table of multiplication from 1 to 10. And at the end of this video, I will provide you a colorful table. Okay, you can, if you have the table books in your home, you can memorize the table, and if you do not have, you can see the video. At the end you will be able to find a multiplication table. Okay, you have to write them up in your copy and then you will memorize it. Now 3 4s are 12. Actually it is coming from the table of 3. If you see in this table, 3 4s are 12. Okay, that means this car will have 12 wheels in total. Now see one more problem. 8 cows and How many legs does a cow have? 4 legs, yes or no? Or 5 legs? 4 legs, yes, right. So 8 cows. Now we have to bring some cows. Let us bring 8 cows. Okay, these are the cows, 8 cows. Okay, now they have 4 legs. Okay, now total how many legs? Without counting, you no need to count it. Okay, don't count 1 2 3 4 5 6. Don't count like that. Just you will have to do this using multiplication. Think. So think. You see this one. How many cows? 8 cows. How many legs? Each cow have 4. So our answer will be 8 times 4 equals what? 32. 8 fours are 32. Now this 32 from where this has come? Actually it has come from the table of multiplication. This one you say 8 fours are 32. Okay, that's why I am asking you to memorize the table. If you do not memorize the table, then how you will know that 8 fours is 32? Yes or no? So that's why from 1 to 10, table 1 to 10, you have to memorize it. Okay, now you see this is the table, multiplication table. Okay, so those students, those who have not the tables in their home, they can write this table. Okay, you pause the video and write the table in your copy, then you memorize it. Okay, each table will take only 10 or 20 minutes to memorize. Within 5 days or 4 days you will be able to memorize all the tables. This table 1 is so much easier, this table 10 is so much easier, this table 5, where is the 5 table? This is so easier. So only you are left with this 3 table, 2 3 4, and this 4 table, 9 8 7 6. So only you have to memorize only 7 tables. Okay, within 5 days or within 1 week it will be finished by you, I think. Okay, so easily you can memorize it. And after that you write the table and memorize it if you do not have the table book. And if you have the table books in your home, then it's okay, then you memorize the table from that book. Okay, so in the next part of this video I will tell you how to multiply say 2-digit number or 3-digit number, how to multiply them. I will tell you in my next video. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please download the PDF of this video from description link. Okay, in the description link you will get a link to download the PDF of this video. Okay, and if you find this video useful, then please like the video and share with your friends and family. To get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel. God bless you all.